What do you think is the most important spice right now? What would you say is the one that you use all the time in your food? Is it salt? Is it pepper? Perhaps cinnamon? Well, this one has been used for thousands of years by different cultures around the world. It was also used as a medicine, as a way to preserve food, and it was even considered a powerful aphrodisiac. So watch this video until the end, and find out what it is, and what else ancient cultures knew about it. Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very special spice, a spice that dates back to the earliest days of human civilization. We will talk about what it is, where it comes from, and most importantly, what ancient cultures knew about it. Let us begin. Now, this particular spice was well known in ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China. It was an important part of the spice trade, and was highly prized by merchants and traders. In ancient times, it was used as a flavoring agent in many different dishes, and was also used to help preserve food. But that's not all. It was also believed to have many healing properties, and was used to treat a variety of ailments. Today, this spice is still used in many different cuisines around the world. But most people don't know about its long history and the many ways that it was used by ancient cultures. And so, we'd like to take a few moments to explore what they knew about this amazing spice. One of the first mentions of this spice that we have comes from ancient Egypt. The Egyptians used it as a flavoring agent in many different dishes, and also used it to help preserve meat. They were also believed to have used it as a form of currency, and even as an offering to the gods. In fact, there is a record of an ancient Egyptian pharaoh who sent a delegation to the land of Punt to get some of this spice. The journey to obtain the spice was fraught with danger, and the pharaoh was very pleased when he received the precious cargo. The Egyptians weren't the only ones who prized this spice. Mesopotamians also used it extensively in their cuisine, and they also believed that it had many healing properties. They used it to treat everything from stomach ailments to respiratory problems. They also used it as an ingredient in their perfumes and cosmetics. But perhaps the greatest fans of this spice were the Chinese. The Chinese have been using it for over 5,000 years, and they believe that it has the ability to cure all but 3 diseases, which were apparently death, old age, and hatred. It was also used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat a variety of ailments. It was even used as a form of currency in ancient China. So what is this magical spice that was so prized by ancient cultures? The answer may surprise you. It is black vinegar. Black vinegar is a type of vinegar that is made from a specific type of rice called glutinous rice. It is made by first boiling the rice and then fermenting it with a mold called Aspergillus oryzae. The result is a dark brown liquid with a strong, pungent flavor. Black vinegar is used in many different types of dishes, both savory and sweet. It is often used as a dipping sauce for dumplings and noodles. It is also used in marinades for meats and tofu, and is often added to stir-fries near the end of cooking to give them a rich, complex flavor. Black vinegar is also used in Chinese medicine to treat a variety of ailments. It is believed to be effective in treating digestive problems, respiratory problems, and even some skin conditions. Black vinegar is made by first boiling glutinous rice, and then fermenting it with a mold called Aspergillus oryzae. The result is a dark brown liquid with a strong, pungent flavor. It has a distinctive sour taste, and a bouquet that is both fruity and nutty. It is thick and syrupy, and has a deep brown color. Black vinegar is a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different types of dishes. It is often used as a dipping sauce for dumplings and noodles. It is also used in marinades for meats and tofu, and is often added to stir-fries near the end of cooking to give them a rich, complex flavor. In addition to its culinary uses, black vinegar is also used in Chinese medicine to treat a variety of ailments. It is believed to be effective in treating digestive problems, respiratory problems, and even some skin conditions. The production of black vinegar is a labor-intensive process that requires a lot of time and patience. The first step is to boil the glutinous rice. The rice is washed and then boiled for several hours, until it is soft and mushy. Once the rice is cooked, it is then placed in a container and allowed to cool. The next step is to inoculate the rice with the Aspergillus oryzae mold. This is done by sprinkling the mold on the surface of the rice. The rice is then covered and left to ferment for several months. During the fermentation process, the mold breaks down the starches in the rice and produces enzymes that give black vinegar its characteristic sour taste. Once the fermentation process is complete, the liquid is strained and then heated to kill any remaining mold. The result is a dark brown liquid with a strong, pungent flavor. Black vinegar is a staple ingredient in many Chinese kitchens and is used regularly in many different types of dishes. It is also available in specialty stores and online.
Oh.
If you are looking for a unique and flavorful ingredient to add to your kitchen, black vinegar is definitely worth trying. The use of black vinegar in ancient Chinese medicine is a testament to its versatility and efficacy. In traditional Chinese medicine, black vinegar is believed to have a variety of health benefits. It is said to be effective in treating digestive problems, such as indigestion and constipation. It is also believed to be helpful in treating respiratory problems, such as bronchitis and asthma. Additionally, black vinegar is used topically to treat skin conditions such as acne and eczema. There are many different ways to use black vinegar in traditional Chinese medicine. It can be consumed orally in small doses to help with digestion, or it can be inhaled to help with respiratory problems. It can also be applied topically to the skin to help with conditions such as acne and eczema. Black vinegar is a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different ways to help improve overall health and well-being. Now let me tell you something really interesting. You know, I always thought that the spice could cure all but 3 diseases? That is because of its high concentration of acetic acid. Acetic acid is a weak acid that is found in many different types of vinegar. It is this acid that gives vinegar its sour taste, and it is also responsible for many of the health benefits associated with black vinegar. Acetic acid is believed to be effective in helping to reduce inflammation in the body. It is also thought to be helpful in regulating blood sugar levels. Additionally, acetic acid is believed to be effective in helping to boost the immune system. It is believed that the high concentration of acetic acid in black vinegar was thought to be able to cure all but 3 diseases. The 3 diseases that could not be cured by the spice are death, old age, and hatred. Right. Death and old age are obviously not curable by any means. However, it is interesting to note that the 3rd disease that cannot be cured by the spice is hatred. Hatred is a powerful emotion that can consume a person and cause them to do terrible things. It is possible that the ancient Chinese believed that black vinegar could cure hatred because of its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Reducing inflammation in the body could also reduce inflammation in the heart and mind, leading to feelings of love and compassion instead of hatred. In conclusion, black vinegar is an amazing spice that has been used by ancient cultures for thousands of years. It was used as a flavoring agent in many different dishes and was also used to help preserve food. It was also believed to have many healing properties and was used to treat a variety of ailments. From ancient Egypt to Mesopotamia and China, black vinegar was highly prized by merchants and traders and played an important role in the spice trade. Today, black vinegar is still used in many different cuisines around the world. It is an incredibly versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. So if you're looking for a unique and flavorful ingredient to add to your kitchen, be sure to give black vinegar a try. You may just be surprised at all the wonderful uses it has to offer. Thank you for watching this video. What is your favorite spice? Be sure to comment below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. Have a great day, and stay healthy, my friends.